We are live. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Happy times. How are you doing, Chad? Welcome. Hey, great to see you. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good day everyone. Hey, happy Tuesday time, 16th of September. Ready for retail sales? We do have some news in about 8 minutes to go. And then of course tomorrow, huge day. Huge day tomorrow. But in the meantime, we're gonna share this video with all the community members. Come on, let your friends know about it guys, let's go. All the groups, Telegram, Discord, whatever groups of trading you guys are part of, good friends, chat, whatever. We are live. Let them know about it. 75 grand on the table for the giveaway. Like the video. Let's go. Good morning. Hey. What a great time. We're trading above daily volume at average price VWAP. In an all-time high conditions, market is running big time before FOMC. Much better than the crypto space. Russell 2000s are stuck. Might not be the one you guys care about or trade, but these guys are stuck here and we need it for the altcoins. Gold is non-stop to the upside, is impressive. And then of course the S&P closing above 6,000s. We got the daily opening on the 6,600s. So we got closing on the 6,615. You know, it was a good day. Let's see what's gonna happen. No, we are using the contract automatically rolled over. On Project X is automatically rolling over, guys. Automatically. NQZ25. Good evening. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video. That's the great part about Project X. You don't need to care about these things. It is automatically moving for you. Yesterday we had a good day here. We made our third point, and the very important thing is we brought this one to 2,500 yesterday. That's a really good one, to be honest with you. Welcome guys. So that was a good profit. Looking for collecting the fourth point. First target is the $500, and if we're making more, I'm not gonna be sorry on that, but certainly I'll be cautious by being greedy today. Might do about 2 days of $500 each, might get to that 5 points. Wouldn't be bad. Let's go. Giveaway. Start soon. Yeah. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Hey. Pretty happy times. Join our Discord. There you go. Good morning and good luck, everyone. I'm gonna ask you a question. Do we get 25,000 on NQ by the end of the week? What do you guys think about? Do we get 25,000 on Nasdaq by the end of the week? So do we touch that this week? What do you guys think about? I've asked you in a poll. The question is there. Let me know what do you guys think. About 430 points. Four minutes still go and we got the news. Coming in from core retail sales. 25,000 is an interesting mark. I've asked you in the chat, guys. Let me know what you think about. And by the way, cheers everyone. Enjoy your day. Happy trading and good luck everyone. We're trading on Ticktick Trader Top 1 futures. Ticktick Trader Top 1 futures. We got the Ignite accounts here on the top one. I'm gonna trade those too. Sell the news tomorrow. I just hope the altcoin market in this quarter are gonna rally with the Russell's 2000. That's the only thing I actually need as a major event. You know, I'm happy if I get 70, 80, 100%. Which is, by looking historically, not the unhealthiest or unimaginable possible outcome. We got those things quite a few times. Right, so I'm not going to enjoy a rate cut with a hawkish guidance. You know, I think right now we do have the 25 points priced in for the stocks. What we care again is the guidance, right? The guidance, if we get 2 or 3 cuts this year, that's going to be a big deal. We got to see yesterday as well, once again, repeated times, that United States is even closer for a much better deal with China on the trade war. You know, these things are kept announced every here or there to keep the strength in the markets, to keep the momentum, guys. Less than a minute to go. I'm gonna start trading my Ticktick Trader. Here's the link, by the way, for those of you that would like to grab your accounts or to find out more about it. Straight to Funded Plus with Profit Score. The link is in the chat. So 69% of you for the moment consider we're gonna touch 25,000 by the end of the week. 8 seconds to go. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see the initial reaction. Nothing. Probably as expected, guys. There's nothing to be traded here. 0.6 retail sales, much higher than expected. And the core retail sales as well, much higher than expected. Wow. There's a much bigger change in the total value of sales at the retail level than expected. Look at that, guys. That's pretty interesting. 0.6%. Market is not reacting negatively. There is an even representation. The altcoin market, Russell 2000s. That's basically the major indicator for the altcoin market in the crypto space. Not all the cryptos, basically Bitcoin, do not cares about Russell 2000s, but the altcoins do have their massive rally seasons when the Russell 2000 is also strong and it's
Order
following
filled.
through growth. Got into my 3 contracts here. Let me see if we can get to that 600s. The price action was pretty bullish. Putting break even there. I'm not risking anything. I'm
Order
out here
filled.
for the moment. 285. That's good, guys. Let me take this slowly. 285. That's halfway through the process. Hey, great to see you guys. Come on. 285. That's, you know, not the biggest number, but it's pretty close to that 500s. And it's quite quick, easy money, right? It's quick price action. Easy money. Look at that. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and let's get the ball rolling. There's no time of being greedy here. At this price action, you gotta take whatever you got in your hands. Look at that. This is back to my entry. Let's go. Like the video, guys. Come on. Bring in the numbers. Oh, that's good. 69%. Good morning. 285 already halfway through today's target. Could be the 4th point. If I get $500 today, it's going to be the 4th point, and we're going to have at least 4,500 max drawdown. With the 1,500 that I have, actually, the max loss, which is something I shouldn't forget updating here, liquidate in black. At the time I hit 1,500, it's gonna stop me out for the day and allow me to trade the next day. I don't need to allow any room of greediness. No reaction at this report, guys, at all. Much higher than expected, basically, on the forecast. It's basically already priced in. Markets did digest it at a certain level. 24,600 right here. We already got these things digested. I think we already got the 25 basis points digested by the Nasdaq. I think the one element that is needed here is the guidance we're gonna have, whether Powell is gonna be hawkish for you know, he might cut with a hawkish view, and that's something the markets are not gonna enjoy. I think he has to cut with a dovish view. We'll see, guys. Come on. Good morning, welcome. Like the video. Let's get the numbers rolling, folks. Looks like a decent spot here to try levels above the 600s, right? You see, we have a pump and then a flat holding onto this. We've been here for this supply. I don't know. I'm not trading it yet, but normally Let me
Order
test out
filled.
actually a short here, guys. No, I wanted to see a continuation all the way back to, but I'm not seeing it. Aren't we getting choppy here? No, we're not getting choppy here. We're pumping. This is Nasdaq. Are trading 3 minis. 5 minute is not looking good here for a short, guys. Unless we get something unexpected back. And we zigzag a little more here. We barcode. Other than that, if you know, this is an engulfing in the bottom here, this is not looking good for a short. Let's see how do we respond here on the 603.
Order filled.
I added one more contract here. I'm willing to give it away a little higher, not an issue. We don't need that much for our target. But right now I'm positioned completely on the wrong side. So I'd like to see if there is any way of averaging out. I have to cut this in a loss. If I could DCA in some shorts in the highs. But this is a pretty problematic. This is a pretty problematic trade. This is a high risk here of reversal. We are not sitting here at a range. $600s for the moment failed to reject. Let's find it out. There's 1 minute to go, guys, here for this 5-minute candle, an important one. The next one, if it's red, engulfs the current green candle, then obviously I'm right there with a good chance. But we need that.
Order filled.
Got into another spot position here on the 5. And another one, another mini contract. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. We got 2 giveaways today. Come on, take this all the way back below the 600s. That is one level I would like to see. How does the bulls defend their knot? It's a beautiful 1 minute candle. Certainly looks beautiful on the 5 minute too. Come on. You were supposed to do more back and forth in this flat space before you want to move convincingly to the upside. That's why I shorted. I actually
Order filled.
sold some contracts, 3 of them, and moving my stop on break even. Gave some profits away because that's how the system works. But I'm setting my target right there, guys. Come on. Come on. I had to get rid of some contracts. I'm fully out here. 345 bucks totally. Not much from the spot we were. But you see, we were pretty much down with $900 on unrealized. And we managed to DCA at the right spots. We still need about $160. You see there is strength here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
185. 175. Come on. $175.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more to this. Protection might come in from the 90s. From here.
Order filled.
Added one more. Beautiful.
Order filled.
Pretty close to touching, but there you go. It has been touched, guys. 550. That was a great trade. The whole thing was very good from my standpoint. Celebration time. Hey, we got to the target. We got the profit score needed. This is day number 4. Boom. Hey. Day number 4, successfully collecting our profit score. We got 4 points. Look at that. Thank you, guys. Come on. So I'm gonna lock myself out for the whole day. And I'm gonna copy trade the first 5. Here we have 2,280. We had 2 great days, 1,500 and 2,400, and then we lost 1,600 yesterday. So I'd like to see what can I achieve today. I'm not gonna go for just 500 bucks here. Especially we got 4 points on the other side with $4,500 inside. I'm not gonna go for $500 here today. I like to go for more. I don't know, the price action here is just garbage. There's not much volatility happening. There is not much. Where do we go from here? Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, we gotta bring up the number. In order to qualify for the giveaway, you have to like the video. Like the video and join our Discord. Hi. Good morning.
Order filled.
Testing out a short.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. 120 bucks. Good morning. Welcome. Great to see you guys. All right, guys. So that's where we are for the moment. Waiting for entries. I'm not gonna short it here, but I'm gonna connect my 541, 555, 541 and 555 accounts, the two Ignite accounts that are having on tap on the futures 3 days, 2 more days like that, and we're good to go for the payout on Ignite accounts, the brand new accounts, the new model from the tap on futures. We just have to make another $1,000 and we're going for the payout. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video and be subscribed. Five out of 5 profit today, that's what we traded. Going for more, especially here. Nah. It's just noise. Had a good experience with them. A lot of it comes from fake reviews from competitors. A lot of it. And on top of that, we've got the reviews from people that are crossing the line and trying to game or play the system, and then of course getting caught and complaining about it. So they're hedging, they're doing all kind of illegal, non-permitted type of trading and strategies that are not permitted and publicly prior announced. For example, the microscoping is definitely not tolerated unless it's an exception, and this is known. if you are in that category and then of course you blame the company for not accepting you to cross the line, it's something that I'm not gonna agree with. So depends. But every time one of our community members had an issue, we have sold everything was for, right? So our community members do have sufficient extra protection on any company that we're dealing with, right? And that's very important. Microscoping is you if you're opening a trade and closing before 10 seconds, right? So you gotta hold your position for at least 10 seconds. Every single lot you're opening, even if you're adding additional, that additional needs to be 10 seconds too, right? Because some people open up a single contract and then they think that's the timing of the whole trade, and then they add 10 more contracts and close it all 11 in 3 seconds, and then they say, well, I got into my trade 2 minutes ago. You got into your trade 2 minutes ago, but your last contracts were just 3 seconds away from the exit. And this kind of things, you know, you gotta be careful. These things are only accepted if there are exceptions on top on futures. If you want to do microscoping and trade in whatever way you want to trade on Ticktick Trader, Ticktick Trader is definitely allowing you to accomplish any form of trading. But again, on any company or community members that are part of our community, utilizing the coupon code Scramble and so on, have a shield, as we are reaching out in case of any issue for them. Good morning, great to see you guys in our Discord. Let's get the numbers. Beautiful morning there. Let's go. Happy day. Happy trading. Join our Discord. Now, companies used to define these terms in whatever way they want, which is why consulting our videos or asking questions is very important before you touch any prop firm. Some companies say 5 seconds, others say 3 seconds, then you got the category of 10 seconds. So, you know, it is a term defined in a personal way by the companies. Thank you guys for joining, by the way.
Order filled.
Adding to a long here. This is potentially this could hold. Back into the 604, 605. Back into the top of the range. That would actually close out on the deal. That would actually hit my point. But like I said, I want to make more than $500 here today. Good morning. Welcome. That's a good run.
Order
Adding
filled.
one more contract to this.
Order
Another
filled.
one. So I got my target on 602. 3 points away. I don't know, I have to check that. Have to check that for the tap on futures. I'm gonna check that and let you know about it. Come on. Just another point, guys, and we touched the target here. Look at that. Pretty close. Nah. I'm out.
Order filled.
I don't like that kind of a thing. 345. I'm gonna run some fireworks for this. We're building slowly, guys. We're building slowly, and today it's an exercise of discipline in the way you trade this sophisticated range. 345. It's good to get me started. Yeah, so you want to trade pre-New York. If you're trading pre-New York, it's most of the time going to last 10 seconds because the targets are achieved. Even if we talk about 5 to 6 points, it takes more time. The volatility is not there. So if you have a strategy that you clearly see you need more time and that would solve the 10 seconds problem, then you have to trade anything before the opening. Like the London session, or you know what we're trading right now. This kind of times, as you can see, is different. But on the other side, if you're not enjoying that, of course you can get out there and trade Ticktick Trader, which is allowing you with a 10 seconds in any form, in any way. They don't care about it. Pretty weird 1 minute price action, not easy to be trading it. 5 minute wants to run, guys. This 5 minute depends how do we close. There's 1 minute to go. But if this is closing with strength, then it does it after multiple liquidity grabs and, you know, price action on the daily volume weighted average price. VWAP sitting there could easily take some. There is a fair value gap here. Right, there is a fair value gap around the 17, 18. We could get into that if this 5 minute closes nicely. Oh, look at that. You got something happening. And the whole thing has been transformed. You got someone speaking, something happening once again. Testing out a short here, guys.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Bring it down, baby. Come on. Beautiful. $740s. Yeah. Exactly. So certainly I trade pre-market because this is where my strategies work much better than during any other conditions.
Order filled.
I actually cut my position partially.
Order
I'm fully
filled.
out. We gave the profit back to the markets. I shouldn't be in a 5-minute short in the way this one looks like. Shouldn't be in a short here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna jump into a long
Order filled.
with 5 contracts. We're gonna trade for the breakout. I think we're going for that fair value gap, 615, 617. Gonna front run 614.75. There you go. Even after the New York session, you know, 3 hours into 4 hours into the New York session, when you have a proper structure of the day, it's a lot easier to trade. You got some pivot points, and you got some clear reaction levels that you can respect. The size is the problem, right? So the New York session requires you to tremendously decrease the sizing compared to what do I do right now. Hey, welcome guys, welcome, good morning. Let's go for the target on 614. Let's take that fair value gap around 1718. We got a decent trade here. And make an end to this choppy feeling. Make it to the end, come on. Tomorrow it's going to be gambling, right? Everything makes sense right now to call it, and the way the micro reaction is going to be. So the micro reaction, what's the first move, what's happening next, is just total gambling for tomorrow. There's many scenarios that could happen, and they're all making sense right now. You know, sell off and then pump is beautiful. Surprising with a strong pump from the initial move, and then lacking any form of retracement and sell-off, just continuation, and then, you know, that's also making a lot of the sense in this case scenario. Yeah, there's a lot of the time to trade tomorrow 2 p.m., but there's gonna be some heavy movements, right? You gotta be slowing down on your sizing tomorrow. And of course, for those of you that are my number one recommendation for tomorrow is not about pump and dump and pump and this kind of things. My number one recommendation is for the most of you, and even for myself, I could say that the best decision for tomorrow is now to trade around the FOMC. Right, 2 p.m. EST time. You don't want to trade around that timing. You don't want to trade during Powell's speech and guidance. You don't want to trade. Right, so this is the best prediction possible. No trading. Right, that little money you're making, you're putting yourself in a very risky situation to make that money. You could make in a day where things are more predictable. Think about this. Right, and if you fear of losing a day and not trading, then that's not a trading mentality, guys. Right, so if you need help into making the best decision, that you have this button right there next to your unrealized profits, that you guys always have unrealized profits, you never lose. And next to this green button right there, it's never red. You want to click on that alert button. Click on that and lock yourself out, and then it's the end of the story, right? You want to look at that. We're printing, guys, and I'm selling something here because
Order
the markets
filled.
could nicely reverse here, and I'm fully exiting
Order
here, actually.
filled.
$590. I'm pretty happy with that for the moment, but I'm going to trade more. So I'm not going to interrupt myself with the fireworks. You can confirm yourself, you can lock yourself out in a custom way. There you go. And that's it, right? 590. We got the point today, but I'm not stopping here, and we got the exit at the perfect level. There you go. It has been beautiful trading so far. Exactly. And I'm telling you, there are days and situations where to make that $500 or that $1,000, the risk level you're exposing yourself is tremendous. Do you actually need that? Or it's the cost of opportunity that's too high? Think about this. Right? I've told you, the way I trade on my major business, which is swing trading, the crypto, I average out on strength, average in on weakness. If you're having this philosophy about trading, you're averaging out on strength, which means you're constantly selling on strength. And the market is going higher, and you have sold, and you're selling, and it's higher, right? This is something the majority cannot do. This is something the majority do in the opposite way. Why is it buying? Because the market is going up. Why is the price going up? Because everyone is buying, right? This kind of things. It's, you know, the feeling of the missing out. So it's something hard to do. Sell out on strength and stay out while the market is doing 20%. It's very hard to do, but you gotta stay out. That's a beautiful barcode here on my expectation. That's why I got out. We've been trading this range successfully so far on all the accounts here that we traded. I could call it a day here on the Ticktick trader on all the 10 accounts. But you see, I'd like to make some more. We got 3 points here, and on the other 5 we got 4 points. We could take this week into minimum 5 points here on this accounts. That would be another 2 days of winner. Might have another loss here. And then the other accounts, the other 5, we could take this one in 6 points this week. You know, that would be pretty strong, guys, if we take this one. So out of the next 3 days, if I got 2 more days profitable, that's going to be strong. Finishing off with 6 points and about $4,000 buffer is good. Make sure to like the video. We got 2 giveaways. Thank you, guys. I'm not trusting along here, guys, right now. I'm waiting. It's 20 minutes to when the market opens. Hello, welcome. Let me ask you a question about gold. So, Quantum, let me see your question. Paul, if someone can invest in just one prop firm, which one do you recommend at the moment? Ticktick Trader or Tap on Futures? the response every time has to be calibrated on your skills and needs and abilities, right? So a broad answer is not going to be the most efficient. Therefore, we begin in a conversation. Do you like trading on a profit score point system? Do you want to trade basically for a product which is more likely guiding you towards the live, which is the Ticktick Trader form and the straight to funded plus, right? So Ticktick Trader right there is most of the time the choice in between the situation at the moment. Ticktick Trader. But keep in mind, yeah, that's the thing. If you like that system, of course, you got a Ticktick option. No consistency, working with the points, having a good time, allowing your winners run, and not being bothered to build your live wallet as a main objective, because the payouts on Ticktick are not the biggest. The payouts on Tickticks are focused to build your live balance. And that's the time you're actually on the serious live field, connected with a broker firm, and you're trading like a serious guy on live. So Ticktick is actually moving you to live. It's not joking. It's not a simulation, guys, on Ticktick. Like it happens with many prop firms, they don't move you to live. You're actually signing a contract and getting signed up to a broker. And they deposit the money for you. So it's not a joke, right? But when it comes down to bigger payouts on the sim funded phase, then of course Top 1 Future is having bigger payouts. Yet of course it has consistency, it has end of the day or intraday accounts, depends also on the pricing for the accounts. So you got to measure these things, but you know, most of the people would actually incline for the Ticktick Trader version. Slowly the profit score system is more and more enjoyed by fellas. Yeah, no consistency helps newbies. And you get no daily loss limit, right? You get that right now, it's for free. The add-on is free. That one is free. But even if it's free, guys, I'm suggesting you to set it up by yourself. Here's the link for those of you that like to see for the Ticktick Trader. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE for the biggest discounts. So I suggest you to set it up as a global risk setting under the account settings. Personal PDLL, personal daily loss 1,500, and then the action when that hits is to liquidate and block. Liquidate your position and block the account for trading for the rest of the day, allowing you to get back tomorrow. That's what it's needed. Even if you get a free daily loss. You get a free daily loss, and I'm telling you honestly, guys, for my community, you know why? Because it's better for the company. And if it's better for the company, it means it's not good for you. It's good for you in a sense of having free choice to set that limit, 1,500. Set that limit up. Don't play with it. Now, they cannot remove in all accounts because the payouts are much bigger on the other accounts, on the normal, straight to funded, and the company would be in a serious financial situation if they would remove consistency on all the accounts. The profit system score is just, you know, great achievement. That's what you got to do as a company, right? So, because we have seen new companies coming out, putting together products extremely similar to what is already existent in the markets. Like, how do you expect to move people from the top prop firms that are already delivering great instant funding accounts? You know, that the new Top 1 Futures Ignite accounts are the pricing of this new Ignite accounts are extremely cheaper than a challenge. So you don't get to see challenges most of the time at these prices, and they're attacking the challenge market with this Ignite products. Very cheap. How do you expect to move clients from a prop firm to another if you don't create a new system? This profit score system is something else. Testing out along here, guys.
Order filled.
Hey, how's it going? Let me verify that quickly, Zil. I think I saw an email, but I'm gonna verify that, because if that's the case, I'm gonna change the banner. I'll change the banner if that's the case. Oh, this is a flash sale for 48 hours, guys. This is a flash sale with 48 hours on the Ticktick Trader accounts. So let me write you the details. Flash sale for the Ticktick Trader, 48 hours only. 70% off. That's crazy. Code is Scramble. You can use that. It's updated with a promotion. And you get 70% off 10 accounts maximum. That's also another advantage, Quantum. You can have 10 accounts, and that's massive. Right? 70% for 48 hours. Here's the promotion. It's 65% and plus 5 if you do through Skrill e-wallet or crypto as a payment method. You get that plus 5. Otherwise, it's 65. There you go. No, just the straight to funded plus. Just the straight to funded plus. Not all. And this 48 hours flash sale, it's available only for 3 users per user. Right? So only 3 accounts at this promotion, guys. This is a flash sale, right? Coming through a middle, another promotion. Only 3 accounts you can grab it at this level of promotion. Only 3. The rest of the 7, you're gonna grab them at the price that is right now as a general promotion. Let's go for
Order filled.
a DCA here.
Order
And
filled.
another DCA. We got 10 minutes and the market's opening. There was a good chance here for the markets to run higher. Looks like there is not much behind it.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. There you go, guys. Come on. We have DCA'd a lot. We are in 8 contracts from 2 contracts. Why not the 250K? Easy money. Too easy, that's the problem. Look at a beautiful trade we got here, guys. Keep going another 4 or 5 points, and I'll congratulate. We got break even, now we're looking at this. 8 minutes to go. I think the market might break out and run. Watch me going for that fair value gap. I'm gonna take the risk. However, it got that point 570 realized. Let me just risk a little more. Look at that, guys. This is, you know, 5 minute is promising here to go for that fair value gap right there that I've got mentioned. And I'm gonna long here on the top on futures too.
Order filled. Order filled.
We only need $500 here. There you go. That's it. That's all we need here. On this Ignite accounts. Nah. What a good opportunity was there on that 5 minute candle we had. It was looking great.
Order filled.
No, they stopped me out on break even for the Ticktick trader, and it's trouble here with my Ignite. What a good movement we had. Like an initial impulse. Look at this price action. Look at that. We get to touch my target here on a tap on futures, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Another point. Like, you're not gonna dump from here. We would be day number 4, guys. Keep that in
Order
mind.
filled.
And there you go, 511 profit. Day number 4. So we only need another day like this and we go for the payout. Ho ho ho. 2 accounts copy traded. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's the Ignite accounts. It's the brand new accounts. Boom. There you go. Perfect entry. Look at that, guys. You need 5 days of 500. And that's it. You need to make 2,500 totally. That's it, guys. 5%, that's where the payout threshold is located, at 5%. Yeah. It's all great. It's all great pretty much everywhere. We got 10 accounts on Ticktick Trader profitable. 2 accounts on Tap on Futures profitable too. I'm connecting my next Ignite. This Ignite's got 2 days. And there are 4. Because you're allowed to buy 6. I'm just waiting a little bit right now. I don't know what the price is. It's 4 minutes to go. Flash sale, keep that in mind for the Ticktick Trader. Yeah, we bounced back hard. We had 2 days and I told you. We're not filling the markets. We had 2 pretty much bad days. We're not filling the markets. We're not in my trading form. And that pretty much ended. We're already on the usual schedule of making money, guys. This is the usual schedule. This is going down. It's a really powerful 1 minute. I would short this, guys. I would short this so bad.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna do it here.
Order filled.
5 contracts short. Going for the $500 target on the top on futures. I'm gonna short this one on the Ticktick Trader 2.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get the right point of it. 3 contracts here.
Order filled.
One more.
Order filled.
Another one. 5 contracts, 5 minutes short. Can we break below this level here? That would actually surprise everyone. If we can take some liquidity below 90s.
Order filled.
6 contracts. $1,500 is my stop loss settings. Good morning, welcome guys. It's liquidate in black. 1,500 for the Ticktick Trader and 1,000 for tap on futures. I was expecting from this 5-minute to hold. But look at that. This is, oh, beautiful, guys. Come on. Keep sliding, you know. $500 on the other side for the target. Look at that. Just a couple of points, guys. Very likely we're touching it. I mean, depends. Depends on the sizing. I'm very dynamic. I don't have a fixed number on the points. And I'm most of the time adjusting things. But that's the maximum loss, 1,500. I can take stop losses earlier than that, of course. Manual ones. Let's go, guys. The target has been almost hit. What the? Look at that. We have wicked into my $500. Don't you dare reversing from here not to touch that.
Order filled.
And there you go. It has been touched on 4 accounts. We're going to my other Ticktick Trader. This is the big juicy short that we have. I'm putting the break even and I don't care about it anymore. Because I'm looking for getting to the daily opening here on the 541. You know, the opening is on 33. But I'm going to front run. What do you guys think about that one? 545, 46, $6,000. What do you guys think about this? Looks great, right? Look at that. Looks beautiful, baby. Market opens. Here's the bell. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh, there you go. We got knocked out, and now it's gonna dump. We got break even. I mean, $150, and now it's gonna dump. That's what we're talking about. You know, I made 150 there. It's nothing compared to what I wanted to make, but it's important we got to our target here on the top on futures. It's important. Break even then drops. Cheers, everyone. I think this is going to drop from here.
Order filled.
I got into 3 contracts. Let's
Order
find it out,
filled.
guys. Get back into 40s, $4,000 there. You know, they wiped me out on my opening. And we had a decent short from a higher level, so I got back into my short. What a miserable look at that. This is, you know, risky, because if it goes into the 605, 606, this is so risky, guys. Nah. If you don't sell off here, I'm gonna be out. If you don't sell off in this candle, I'll be out. Stop loss is gonna be above it. Then it's running higher, much higher, and I'm gonna get myself wiped out at too much loss. So that's it. That's all I can give about it. If it sells off, it has to do it from here. Otherwise, there's no business. And I'm gonna...
Order filled.
I'm gonna sell on my sizing a little bit. It's too much. Come on. We're sitting in 4.
Order filled.
We're sitting in 3 contracts. That sizing was too aggressive. Yes, I want to trade on Savius too. I'm not trading gold futures on my personal accounts with the cryptos, just the cryptos. Keep sliding. Come on. We're putting the stop loss right there. This is looking beautiful for the moment. Keep going. You know, I'm playing this break even with $90 profit. $55. We're gonna sell a contract on 55. $51, another one. Hopefully it's not changing direction without testing the daily opening here. Get back to the daily opening, buddy. What are you doing there? Come on. Get back to your daily opening. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's get the numbers rolling. Like the video, be subscribed. Join our Discord. We got the giveaway starting soon. Looks fine for the moment. 10 points away from our trailing. And we still got the points secured here, so I'm not feeling sorry about this whole thing. That's why I'm not really planning closing out here. Because I got my points secured. I would better go for a bigger fish. Right, I'm adding
Order filled.
another contract there. I don't mind. I've DCA'd in a short. Because this is the candle that could actually force it. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna trail right above the current red candle. Right above. So we got 350 secured. That being said, that's pretty good looking for the moment. What are you doing, buddy? No. What are you doing, buddy? You still have a way to go. There you go. Come on. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna work with the current wick. So 510 trailing. The limit buy goes a little bit lower. Both limit buys are going lower. If this is breaking, it should have strength. Right? If this is breaking here on the 60s, should get more strength. So limit buys lower. Come on, we got 585 realized. Let's see how much money do we make. We got 585 realized. 510 with a trailing. I'm gonna sell
Order
a contract
filled.
here, guys. And
Order
one
filled.
more. You know, I'm leaving the rest. But we have 1,290 secured. Taking the limit orders out. Going for the bigger fish on the 44. Morning. Welcome, guys. Come on. Let's go. We have a good risk management here so far. Adding
Order
another
filled.
contract to this and putting break even. Look at that one, guys. Dump it. Dump it. We're sitting on 3. 3 minis. Dump it. How much you should risk? Depends on your leverage. I'm fully
Order
out here.
filled.
1,540. That's enough, guys. We're gonna run some fireworks, baby. We got full profit everywhere. 10 accounts on Ticktick Trader, 6 accounts on Tap 1 Futures. Boom. And look at the price section. It's not really understandable with all those wicks at the top. You know, this is killing you softly, right? So I'm enough here. I'm pretty much gonna lock myself out. Goodbye. There you go. We got the 3rd point. We actually recovered yesterday's loss. We got back into $3,800 max loss, 3 points. And the other 5 accounts are having 4 points with a 4,500 max loss. So we are in a beautiful position, guys. Thank you. You know, everything's been traded here smoothly. I'm gonna trade a bit of a Savius too. For those of you that would like to see their offer, 60% off, you have to sign up basically for our community link to see the offer of Savius. Keep going, buddy. That's the link for the Savius accounts. I'm gonna talk to you about a giveaway they have. Keep pushing. Everyone that's buying an account is gonna be part of the giveaway, but I'm gonna talk to you about a little bit later in a material. Testing out along here on the Savius. And I'm not testing it badly, right? Add a little more to this. Sitting on 9 minis with the exit on 570 at 1,500. It's not bad. Trading right now, Savius on Quantower with 60% off. $256 will cost you the 150 grand account, 256, and you will be able to cash out 2,700, more than 10 times the price you're paying. The cash out comes at, look at that price section. I'll set a break even, and there you go. We touched the target, guys. 1,494. Here you go. What 1,494 daily net PNL, 36 bucks in daily fees. So we touched the target. We got to do 1,500. You have to make 5% basically. At 5% you get paid. So we've made money everywhere today. We made money 10 accounts on Ticktick Trader, 6 accounts on Top 1 Futures, that's 16, and then 1 on Savius, 17. 17 out of 17, all that I traded is profit. Beautiful. We're going back to our main scene, and you know, it is time. It is time for the wheel. It is time for the giveaway. Come on, guys, like the video. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. We are about to do something. Like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord. Here we are. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Doing giveaways daily, having a great time, and it's back-to-back good education. That's the most important part. And on top of that, you learn also about the things you got to do in order to avoid losses. Get ready, guys. You can start. Let me know your numbers. Guess the number between 0 and 5. And of course, Yeah. Let's go, guys. Come on. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Do not guess from multiple accounts. You're going to get banned. This is a top 1 futures account of Ignite. 25,000 Ignite top 1 futures account. That's what we're sharing. And there is going to be one more giveaway after this. Stop. No more guesses. It's over. No more. It's over. We're going to shuffle this and get started one more time. And here we go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Get ready also for the second giveaway starting soon. We got that blue number 3. Watch that blue number 3, guys. I think that's going to be the one. Hey, I can smell this. It's the blue number 3. Congratulations for the winners. Let's get to the duck race. Yeah, the marble race. That's also an interesting one. Yep. 40 winners. Wow. That's a lot of the people. 40 guys out there competing for 1 minute. You got some chance. Do not underestimate rules. And stay with us for the next giveaway. Yeah. Marble race is good as well. I just have to find the website. You can do it. I just have to find the website and the link. You can do it. And I'll look into it. Let's go. 10 seconds. Who's gonna make that step? Thomas. Thomas FX. There you go. We got you, boy. You're gonna be the winner, looks like. Congratulations, Thomas FX. There you go. Surprisingly, but you got it. Number 36 right there. Congratulations. Make sure to reach out on Discord. We're getting ready for the second giveaway. Preparing. Let me just get that one going. We're getting ready for the second giveaway. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join my Discord, especially for those of you that have joined recently. Start. Let me know your number, guys. Good luck, chat. Let me know your numbers. Come on. This is a $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick trader. If you are winning today, Lamro, you want to donate your account to the community. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. This is a Ticktick trader giveaway on $50,000 straight to funded plus. That's it. No more stuff. It's over. You want to stop right there? It's over. We're gonna shuffle 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and here we go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. What is it gonna be? We got that number. We got that number 3 on yellow. If we pass through that 0, guys, it's gonna be pretty close, I'm telling you. But I think we're gonna stop on the 0 here. Yeah, there you go. 0. Congratulations for the winners. You're having a great time. We're moving to the duck race. 40 guys on the list for the first giveaway. 19 for the second. There you go. 19 players qualified, representing a 5% chance to win a $50,000 straight to funded plus. Good luck, everyone, and good luck, chat. It's just 19 guys out here. Here we are. 19, not 90. Thank you. This is probably the easiest duck race here with 19 fellas. Nasdaq trading below that 40s. Take a look at that. It's back into the daily opening. 15 seconds to go. Let's go, Frank. Come on. Are you ready, Omar? You're the chef. Look at that. You got a spoon, but the strawberry comes in. And the strawberry wins. Vikram. Congratulations, buddy. There you go for the massive winner. Congrats right there. You're doing a great job. Beautiful, guys. So this is a $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Reach out to me on Discord for all the winners. You gotta drop me a direct message. Congratulations. And looking forward to it tomorrow. FOMC day. A huge day. Careful with your accounts on trading. Keep that in mind. Ticktick Trader is having a flash sale. 48 hours. Only 70% discount. But you can use this flash sale for up to 3 accounts. Right? The rest of the accounts up to 10 comes in at the general discount right now that is existent. Have a lovely day, guys. Peace. Wish you the best.